Hey Spider-Man fans, I'm James McIlwee, and as you can see, today I bought myself a Marvel Spider-Man 2017 Ford GT RC car. And this is by Jada Toys. It's for ages 6 and up. And I got this at Best Buy. And let me show you the box real quick. You can see it's 6 and up. Jada, Marvel Spider-Man, and 2017 Ford GT RC car. Right there is a nice Spider-Man logo. Nice spider webs in the background. And turn it to the side. You can see what it looks like when it's in its box. Yep. Here's the back. Yep. Shows some things it comes with. It even comes with a USB charger. And Hollywood Rides. 2020 Jada Toys Incorporated. Head. And yep. And Jada Charging Ecosystem. Yep. And made in China. And yep. And that's the box. And here's instructions on if you want to change its batteries and warnings and things like that. And notice to parents, careful opening package with safety scissors, or carefully open package with safety scissors to avoid a damaging vehicle. Yep. And yep. And that's the box. And I'm gonna get this thing opened up, and we'll be right back. So here we have it opened up and out of its package, and this little car looks very amazing. And it comes with this remote, and the batteries are actually inside it, I think. And you can see it has one for forward and back, one for driving and one for steering. Yep. And it has this thing. I don't know what this is for, but I'll find out. And it says Marvel Turbo Boost there, and a little on-off switch. And here's the car. You can see it has that nice Spider-Man touch to it. There's the wheels, and right here there's a switch down here too, and this thing where you can charge the thing, which I think is a nice touch to it. And yep. And you can see it's all Spider-Man red and blue. And it's got the Spider-Man logo right here and right here as well. And it has a nice spider up there too. Yep. Here's the back. You can see it says Marvel. Yep. It has nice headlights there. Yep. And let's take it to the floor and see if it works. Oh, before we do that, also notice it came with instructions on how to play with it. And now let's take it to the floor. Alright, here we are back again. And I just turned the switch on each thing on. Yep. And now, let's see if it works. Yep, so far so good. Yep. You see it can go forward. When you press this lever, it goes forward. When you press it, it goes back. When you press this, and when you press this, yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. So this car definitely works. So yeah, that's my review of the Spider-Man RC car by Jada Toys. I hope you all like this video. Please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. You can make it a favorite if you want, and share with friends, and ring the bell if you want to get notified on what's new on my channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Take care.